Hey, aloha guys, and welcome back to another episode. But today is not gonna be a high peak what we're gonna climb. Today we are here with my friends Oliver and Adriana. They are somewhere in the parking lot still getting ready. We're gonna do a trail running up Hawaii Loa Ridge. I really like this ridge. Actually, it's a short run. It's around 4 miles, but it has an 1800 feet of cumulative elevation gain, so it gives you a workout. It has some rolling hills, some runnable parts, and of course there are some good climbing parts. Now the only thing, when you come to Hawaii Loa Ridge, remember you can only come here just if you have military ID or you have local Hawaii ID, because it's a gated community, so otherwise they're not gonna let you in. The start of the Hawaii Loa Trail is super nice and dry, so there are some rolling hills. You can have a really nice rhythm until you get closer to the top, where it just gets extremely steep out of nowhere. So this is a good warm-up definitely for that climb. So today I'm wearing again my Salomon Wildcross shoe, which I really have high hopes for it. It feels like a really good fit with a wider toe box. So I'm trying it out, trail running, hiking, go in the jungle, dry rocks, whatever I found. So I'm planning to do a review about it, so keep you guys updated how I feel with the shoe. Usually when I go out trail running, I actually wear my Ultra Olympics, which I really enjoy, but I feel like they are a little bit too flexible for technical terrain and they don't give you that much of a support. But let me ask these Ultra guys, both Oliver and Adrian are using Ultras. I'm just curious what they think.
Hi!
Alright, I'm curious, what do you think about your Ultras? What are you wearing right now?
I'm wearing the Olympics 4.5.
Okay, same as mine.
I love the extra wide box.
Toe box, yeah.
And the cushion.
Awesome.
And it has really good tread.
Okay, well, I do agree with that. But still, I don't think it's a very technical shoe. I just feel like it doesn't offer enough protection. But
good. You might be right, but this one is not that bad.
Yeah, she said this one doesn't look bad. Well, definitely not for us. How about you, Oli?
Same ones.
Same old
if you have white feet and if you like the feeling of the like zero drop, you know, like running barefoot or so, this is a good one. So you gotta train your calves so you don't get injured first. So, but those are good.
Awesome. Well,
I use them for everything pretty much. They don't last much here in Hawaii though.
No, they don't.
Durability and the upper in this type of trails. Sometimes it's not as good.
Yeah, that's my other concern about the Ultras, but they are good shoes. Thank you guys for the feedback. Let's keep going. So we are getting closer to the steep part, around 1500 feet elevation right now. Well, you can see the whole environment changing, and no more guava trees, as most of it is green uluhe, some of the tea plants behind me, and some ohia trees. So it becomes really a more Hawaiian view. So by the way, I'm on this app called Strava, which are all the runners using. So you can follow me on Strava if you want to see my adventures. I will put the link somewhere here. And if you want to see some cool pictures or stories of my adventures, you can follow me on Instagram. I always post some stuff here and there, so you can follow me more closely. As you guys can see, on the steep part there are some stairs set up, which kind of makes the climb easier, or not. I don't know, I'm not a big fan of stairs, but it's good. Okay, we made it up. We are on 2,500 feet high elevation, and we got like cumulative gain of 1,600 feet. 50 minutes with filming and everything is pretty good. You can run up definitely faster. So the way down is gonna be much faster. I'm guessing these guys love to run down. I'm not so much, but let's see. Ultra versus Solomon.
Yes.
How was it, guys? Not too bad, yeah?
It was nice.
It was good. It was
Nice
good
day.
here.
Are you not freezing, man?
I am, yes.
Okay.
I forgot my t-shirt, by the way, and my water, so normally I don't run like
Never forget your water, and not your t-shirt either. Anyway, we're gonna head down. By the way, if you are lucky enough, you get some nice views. Today we are having some. You can see Olomana in the background. You can see Vaimanalo Bay. You see the whole windward side. Tricky thing about this Hawaii Ridge is that you might think, oh, I just climbed up the mountain, now I just have to go down. Not exactly. Most of the time, even on the way back, you have to climb one hill, two hill, or even more. And Hawaii Loa Ridge is the same. A lot of rolling hills. So it's a good mental training for sure. Okay, so we do everything for a good shot. Oliver sacrifices himself to climb the tree just to get this shot. Okay, wait for the shot, wait for the shot. Ooh, I hope you guys like that shot. When you do trail running, I guess you need to think out of the box what kind of angle of shots you can do. So we are coming up with different ideas. We made it down, a round trip of 4.1, 4.2 miles, whatever it is, around 1,800 feet of elevation gain. We finished in an hour and a half, so that gave us time for some breaks, some filming, so it's a good outing. Are you guys ready for the next one?
Go.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Okay guys, thank you for joining for another trail running adventure, this time not a high peak. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, that helps out my channel.
Like, subscribe, always.
And subscribe, because I just hit 900 subscribers. I need 100 more for 1,000, and then I'm gonna have 1,000 subscribers. Anyway, aloha and see you guys in the next time.